Today is June 16th. Let's get right into it. So Bitcoin sitting at 39,000, Ethereum at 2,400. Fuck Tether. I hate Tether. Tether's a joke. It's a scam. And I'm going to cuss Tether out every time I see it, even if it's in every video I make, which is fine. Binance Coin 352, and then XRP at 84 cents, and Cardano at $1.52. Dogecoin, fuck Dogecoin, it's a joke. One coin I wanted to show you guys, which I wish I would have made a video about it a couple weeks ago, but I didn't, was a QNT Quant. Sitting at $77.68. And I mean, you're up over the 7-day period. Shoot. If you would have bought here 7 days ago, $44.03. I mean, look at that. You're up. You're at $81. Came down a little bit, but it's going back up. And I really like Quant. I've known about it for a little while now. I think Quant, in the next 10 years, will be a company that'll be up there. Good support, good utility, which is going to lead me to the reason why I made this video. The last video I made, I said I wanted to kind of show you guys what I do and how I invest in a company, or I should say the questions I ask myself when I'm going to invest in a company. And I went ahead and just pulled up a Google Doc here and typed in a few things that I think are important to ask yourself before putting any money in a company. And I've taken these tricks and tactics and I've used them now for well over 3 years, and they've made me some money doing this. But not only that, it makes me feel more comfortable and safer, and I sleep better at night after I have figured out these questions. I'm not just putting my money into something like, damn, is it going to be dead tomorrow? Does it have is something going to happen with it? But let's get started. Okay. So, first thing I ask myself, what does it do? What is the utility behind the coin, behind the stock, behind any investment you make? Okay. Now, the coins, this is really for crypto, but this is what I'm asking myself. Does it provide a real life use case? Okay. Is it actually doing something in the world? Is it being used right now? Is it something that is in development? Is it out there for you to use right now? Is the technology that's involved with that being updated? Because if you see something like Bitcoin, which in reality, Bitcoin is slow, not environmentally friendly, it can be fixed, it can be updated. There are certain things that you got to ask yourself. And the most important question in that category is, do you believe in 10 years from now that it'll still be here? Because remember, when we're investing, at least on my channel, I'm not looking for what is the price tomorrow. I want to know what's the price 10 years from now. That's why I tell everybody, when you're investing in utility coins, you always want to ask yourself that question. Now, if you can answer all those questions and they're good answers, so far you got 1 out of 3, you're at a good start. Next is your financials. Okay, this is important, especially for people living in the US. A lot of these companies' tax filings are public. You can view them. You can see a lot of the people that are invested with their debt. But let's start. So find recent tax filing. 10Ks, 10Qs, anything in the past 2, 3, 4 years, however long your company has been around too. Okay, is the company in debt? Am I investing in something that's in a shitload of debt? Now there's good debt and bad debt, which I'll get into in another video. But does this company have good debt or bad debt? Okay, who are they partnered with? Like, for example, in yesterday's video, we showed you HBAR, Hedera Hashgraph, partnered with Google, IBM. These are big name companies. You think companies like IBM, Google are going to partner with somebody that, is not doing anything? No, that's not going to happen. Okay, and then your 2 next things is, what does the long-term chart look like, and what is the market cap, circulating supply, and volume of the product, or whatever the coin it is you're investing in. Okay, we're talking utility coins here. I'm not talking about something like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, which, in a week it can be up 100%, 200%, whatever it may be. Okay, so those 2 things are really important. Look at your long-term chart, not your 1 month, not your 1 week. Okay, not your 1 day. Look at your 6 month, 1 year, 2 year, even 3 month chart can be okay. I like to go at least 6 months and up for long-term charts. Okay, your most important thing. Okay, this is three. So 2 out of 3 is done. Okay, if you've answered those questions, awesome, you're good. Here's the most important. 3 out of 3 right here. Company leadership. I'm gonna repeat that. Company leadership. Who is leading the company? Okay? You can have the best product in the world, but if your leadership and the people that are behind that product are shitty, I don't care what you got. It won't sell. Okay? So, the people that are leading the company, are they innovative and motivated? Are they people that want to get shit done? Are they people that want to move forward? Okay? And if you're living in America, and you know what, I shouldn't say America, all over the world, the people that are in charge, and it sucks that it's like this, but this is the way it is. If you're somebody who's in business and you understand business, you'll know what I mean. The people in charge, are they well connected? Okay, do they know people? In this industry, the reason why I love XRP too, and I've said this before and I'll keep saying it, out of all the other cryptocurrency companies, they are the ones who spent the most lobbying in the US government. People don't understand how important that is. That lobbying is nothing but building partnerships, connections, friendships, whatever it may be with other people. Okay? If you have a company that has good leadership, is well connected, innovative, and motivated, and if you've gone through, and this might be a little bit more difficult, but finding reviews from people who work with the company or worked for the company, I mean, if you see that the company is together as a family, as a group, and they have all those qualities with them, then the company won't fail, regardless of the product they sell. The company will do well. So if you can get all 3 of these, 3 out of 3, and they can answer your questions good, and that's the company that you want to invest in, then you know what? If all 3 of these things are coming out good for you, then you probably won't take a loss in that company. And if you're willing to be patient and hold, that's the next thing I should have added to this was patience. If you're able to be patient and hold for that 5-10 years, then you will be rewarded. Your patience will be rewarded 100%. Okay, that's about it, guys. I didn't want to go over any other crypto news today. I just basically wanted to make this, and this is just brief. This is not very expanded. I just wanted to get this out there quickly for maybe some people that are new to the crypto industry, just some questions maybe you weren't asking that you can take down. But I will make an in-depth video with this and what I really mean, all this stuff broken down in the future. Oh boy. All right, well, you guys have a wonderful day, and everyone take care of yourself.